gun to his head.
Both officers fired their service weapons, striking Streeter. A physical altercation between the couple was also captured on surveillance video from a nearby business. Officers stopped to investigate, and as they got out of their patrol vehicle, a man, later identified as 35-year-old Brian Streeter, began moving quickly away from the officers and pulled a handgun from his waistband.
Hey, he's got a gun! He's got a gun! He's got a gun!
First pointed the handgun at himself.
Stop! Hey, he's got a gun! He's got a gun!
And then moved it around quickly, pointing it in different directions.
Stop!
Both officers repeated commands for Streeter to stop and to drop the weapon, which he ignored.
Drop the gun! Drop the gun now! Drop the gun! Drop the gun, bro! Drop the gun!
Streeter turned down an alleyway and began heading towards the last known location of the victim, an open business, and a busy roadway.
We got bad backdrop. Bad backdrop. He's walking back out to traffic. He's got a gun to his head.
Both officers fired their service weapons, striking Streeter. Moved away from the weapon, officers were able to approach him and safely render first aid. A tourniquet was placed on Streeter's leg as officers requested medical assistance.
Bro, man. Trying to get you help, bro. Hang on, alright? Hang on.
Phoenix Fire Department personnel transported him to a local hospital for additional treatment of his injuries. The weapon used by Streeter was recovered at the scene.